Hello friends, welcome back to Natural Health Culture Movement channel. In the earlier series, we have talked about what is the natural health culture movement and how it can benefit to all of us. Now today I am going to talk about few definitions. First is, when we say Mother Nature, what do you mean by Mother Nature? So after studying all the literatures, I found this is very beautifully described in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Lord Sri Krishna describes Mother Nature in chapter number 7, text number 4 and 5. He says, Bhumirapanalo vayu khammano buddhirev cha ahankaram itiyam me binna prakriti ashtadha apareyam mitastanyam prakritim vidhi me param jeev bhuta mahabaho yayedam dharati jagat. That means Mother Nature can be described in two forms, two broad forms. One form is of materialistic in nature, that is phenomenal in nature. It is in 8 forms. What is that 8 form? Bhumiram panalo vayu kham mano buddhi revcha ahankar. That means earth, water, fire, air, space, mind, intellect and ego. This consists of 8 forms of Mother Nature. It is a materialistic in nature. Another form is spiritual in nature. That is para form, which is governing the entire universe. So broadly, when we say Mother Nature, so we should visualize the materialistic form, which is in 8 ways, and the spiritual form, that is governing the universe. So that's all about Mother Nature. So moving forward, another term we use so frequently is called health. So when we say health, what do you mean by that? The word health very long ago was called as health or hale. The health meaning the state of being in completeness, being wholeness. The Bible describes they that are whole need not a physician. So a person who is holistic in their living need not require a doctor or physician. WHO in their charter in 1946 described health as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, not only the absence of disease or infirmity. In 1943, French physician Georges Canguilhem in his book The Normal and Pathological describe health as the state of the ability to adapt to its environment. He says health cannot be viewed as in a small pocket. It should be viewed in the perspective of the entire biosphere, how we are exploiting, how we are interacting with other species, how we are interacting with the mother nature. So the ability to adapt to its environment. One more definition is I found it very useful. Mr. R. Smith in 2009 WHO conference at Netherlands, he describes the ability, the health is the ability to love and work, the ability to adapt and self-manage. So these are very beautiful perspective on health. In our ancient text called Sushruta Samhita, sage Sushruta describe health or being healthy as a samdosha samagni cha samdhatu malkriya prasannatmendriya manah swastha itya vidhiyate. That means a person can be called as healthy who is having a balanced doshas. Doshas are three types of doshas: Vata, Pitta, Kapha. So if all these doshas are balanced, his fire is balanced, he is having a normal metabolical and cleaning processes, his senses are well and healthy, his mind is cheerful, then that person can be described as healthy. So this is all about in today's video. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel so that we can further move forward together and nurture and build this natural health culture which will benefit to all of us. Thank you very much.